66666.
Outfit of the day, featuring some Ivy Park, baby. Peace YouTube. Who is Sugar? Back with another video, baby. And I am feeling myself. I am feeling myself. Now, let's get on with these here looks. For look number one, I am wearing this knit bodycon mini dress. This dress is real cute. I like this whole high crew collar situation that is going on. Now, on one side of the dress, it has Ivy Park. And on the other side of the dress, it has Ivy Park. So when you out here serving like booty meat from the side, you can see Ivy Park regardless of what side it's showing. Now, at the bottom of this dress, it has this whole green neon strip thing that's happening. I really like how this look. You know, it's simple, but it's cute, girl. It's cute. Now, this particular dress has the vintage Adidas logo label situation here on the back. Now, one thing that surprised me with this dress is that it came with the warning label. It was like, look, y'all better be careful. Don't be out here walking by trees and bushes and things because it will get snagged. Now, I am pairing this dress with these here super sleek bubble gum sole Adidas. Now, one of the shoes has this whole strap thing that's popping off in the back, and the other one does not. I would not go outside with the one strap that's hanging, but I guess if that's what you want to do, by all means, knock yourself out. Now, one thing I will say about these particular shoes is that they run like a half size large. I wear an 8.5, but I got these in an 8. And I find that this style of shoe, because I believe I have like 3 or 4 other styles of this particular shoe, it runs big. So if you're trying to get this shoe, make sure you size down a half a size, or don't, just get it because it may work for you. My feet just might be a little strange. But anyway, yeah, I had to get the 8. For look number 2, I am wearing the same dress from look number 1, except this time I paired it with the Ivy Park suit jacket. I also put a belt around my waist just to give it some shape, and I rolled up my sleeves. Now, I will say that this particular jacket does not match the material of the dress, but I still think that it works. Now, if I take off my belt here, let's talk about this jacket. Now, this jacket is not fully lined. It's lined in the collar area, and it is also lined in the sleeve. There are 2 pockets on the outside as well as 2 pockets on the inside, so you can store all of your things. And the front of this jacket has buttons, but they're the little snappy kind of buttons. And this thing is heavy, honey, like heavy, weighted blanket type of heavy. So if you feel the type of way you just need to calm yourself down, throw this thing on because it just has enough weight to just bring you back on down. Now, one side of the sleeve has the Ivy Park logo, and the other side has the 3-stripe Adidas logo situation popping off. Now, I wore the same shoes that I wore with look number 1 because it just works here. And I think it's cute. I'm feeling myself, feeling myself, feeling myself. On to look number 3, also feeling myself. Now, I am wearing the suit pant that goes with the jacket in look number 2. I know what you're thinking. But Shug, that's not an authorized Ivy Park shirt you got on. I know, I really wanted to have like the whole thing to be Ivy Park, but y'all went and snatched up all the medium shirts, and that is okay because I had this here half sweater situation in my closet, and I think it works. I know what else you're thinking, but Shug, can we see how the jacket looks from look number 2? Can you put it on look number 3? Yes, like right now. Just like the jacket, the suit pant also has the Ivy Park on one side and the 3 Adidas stripes on the other side. These also have pockets that zip to keep all your things safe. The waistband is elastic and it has a drawstring as well. And of course, I'm wearing the same shoes. All right, 1, 2, and 3, get information. Are y'all ready? I love my shoes. I love my shoes. And look at my shoes. Look at my shoes. Y'all thought I forgot. Y'all thought I forgot because I almost did. And lastly, here are the masks. Now, one thing I don't like is that the logo on the mask is like the new Adidas logo, whereas the logo on the clothes is the old vintage Adidas logo. I don't know why she did that, but that's all right because we're going to rock this thing out anyway. And hopefully this virus can get the hell on and we don't even have to wear a mask, right? So that is it for this outfit of the day video. If you have not done so, subscribe to my channel. I upload videos every single day for Vlogmas. Also, turn on your notifications so that you know when I upload a video. You'll get the email. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching and supporting, and I will see you all tomorrow. Be blessed. Peace.